Did you know Seneca, the richest man in Rome, taught not to chase money? Today you'll learn 3 Stoic rules that will eliminate your anxiety forever. And yes, they work even in 2025. Rule 1. Control only what depends on you. Marcus Aurelius said, "Worrying about others' opinions is like stressing over the weather, pointless and exhausting." Example: imagine you get fired. A Stoic wouldn't drown in panic or blame the boss. Instead, they'd ask, "What can I control right now?" Maybe it's updating your resume, calling a mentor, or learning a new skill. Everything else, the company's decision, colleagues' gossip, is just weather. It's there, but you don't argue with thunderstorms. You prepare. That's the core of Stoicism. Focus on your response, not the uncontrollable event. Rule 2. Turn problems into training. Seneca faced unimaginable losses, his wealth, health, even his beloved son. Yet in his darkest hours he wrote, "Difficulties are not obstacles, but weights for the soul's gymnasium." Example: when stuck in traffic, most people see wasted time. A Stoic sees a training ground. That honking car, your focus drill. The endless red lights, your patience reps. Each minute is a chance to practice calmness, for when real challenges come. This is how Stoics transform irritations into strength, one mental rep at a time. Rule 3. Premeditatio malorum, prepare for what may come. The Stoics weren't pessimists, they were prepared realists. Every morning they asked, what if today brings the worst imaginable outcome? Not to suffer twice, but to disarm fear's power. Example: afraid of layoffs? Don't just dread it. Walk through it in your mind. The meeting where you're let go. The silent ride home. Then, drafting a plan, reaching out to contacts, realizing you're still breathing. This is premeditatio malorum, not avoidance, but vaccination. Injecting small doses of adversity to build immunity to panic. If you made it to the end, you're already changing how you see challenges. Now it's your turn. Leave a comment below telling me which rule spoke to you most. If this was valuable, please like the video. It truly helps. And if you want more practical wisdom like this, subscribe to the channel.